Hello everyone, welcome to my English podcast. Today I'm feeling so grateful because my last video got 100,000 views, which is so much incredible. Guys, you're amazing. Thank you so much. Today I want to share my story and some lessons that I've learned on my language learning journey. And this video would be very helpful to anyone who is trying to learn foreign languages. If you want to have good speaking skill, you should watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Lesson number 1 is you cannot be perfect at the beginning of your journey, especially in the real situation. I have 2 friends. One is originally from Peru and one is from the States. Every time I hang out with them, they take 80% of the conversation and the rest of 20% is my reaction. So what I've learned from them at first, that how to respond, how to give the answer to their questions. So the phrases are that, I see, no, that's not fair, I don't think so, or like, I know. So these are how I chat with them. So they take 80% of the conversation and mine is only 20% at first. So now when I meet with them, I speak like 48% and they speak like 60%. My point here is that you should learn how to answer to the questions and you should learn how to react, give the response to them. It's really important. And one more thing, body language is really important in English. So they use like body language a lot and then I copy them. This is how I learned. You cannot speak like them when you first meet them. It is so normal. Don't worry about it. Lesson number 2, it's don't overthink. I used to overthink and I still. My Korean is so good, so it's so disturbing. So my Korean brain is working so well. On the other hand, my English brain is not working very well. So that was another issue. So in my brain, there are lots of process going on. So in order to stop overthinking, you need to focus on the person you're talking to, not on yourself. At home, when I practice speaking, I imagine myself that I'm talking to someone. Now someone is right in front of me, so I'm trying to give my message to them. So focus on the message, not on the grammar rules, not on English itself. Focus on the person you're talking to. So he or she is waiting for your answer. You don't have much time to process everything in your brain. This is really helpful. So I pretend myself I'm in a real situation. Even though I'm practicing at home, I'm in a real situation. I need to deliver my message to the person. The key is communication. Lesson number 3, it's do lots of input. Input is really important. If you want to speak like them, you need to know how they speak. So do input as much as you can. Whether it be English or Korean, I think these are the most important things that you definitely have to know. And these are the lessons that I've learned. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome to my English podcast. Today, let me tell you a funny story that happened yesterday. I don't know how you're going to react this, but I find it funny but a little emotional too. If you know me, you probably know I've been taking vocal classes for about 6 months, I guess. 7 months? I'm not sure. I try to practice twice a week, at least twice a week. I know that's not a lot, but I'm trying, okay? I've been practicing Hansung by Lehigh, and I've been stuck on that sound for what feels like forever. So yesterday, me and my training teacher was practicing, and out of nowhere, I started to cry. I had no idea why. I was crying and at the same time I was like, why am I even crying? I'm not trying to be a singer or anything. That was ridiculous. And I think my teacher was very used to it. She told me a lot of her students end up crying during practice even in front of her. She wasn't surprised at all. And I was like, I was so sad. But at that moment I asked myself, is it my limitation? I tried my best. Every time I start to sing chorus part, my teacher was like, nope, change the placement, like where you put the sound. She was like, you need to put the sound in the head. What do you mean? What do you mean put your sound in the head? The sound comes from your throat. Here. So she was like, nope, you need to put your sound in your head. I tried my best. And I've been working on this sound for 6 months. And I can see it even in my dream. And all of the feedback hit me at once. And finally I explored. It's really painful to think and realize that it is your limitation. And don't tell me I'm not putting in effort. I try to make as much time to practice as I can. And you've hit a wall and you need to climb over it. And you cannot. Every time I go to the practice room and finish practicing, I was like, oh, I'm improving a bit. And then the next week, I'm starting from zero again. 너무 괴로워요. 진짜 너무너무 슬프고 너무너무 답답하고 너무너무 괴로운 것 같아요. And it feels like I'm trapped in a never-end cycle. And I feel so suffocated. Is it my limitation? Should I give up? I don't want to give up. But honestly, I'm really not trying to be a singer or anything. I love music. I'm happy when I'm singing songs. But every time this part hits me, and day by day I'm getting lots of confidence. I think confidence is the most important. You know, like when you learn languages, confidence is really, really important. I know, 머리로는 알겠는데 이게 마음이 좀 힘드네. Even though you're trying your best and you can see the progress, 진짜 개빡칩니다. But I think unlike learning languages, when it comes to singing, I can see the progress right away. So it's what makes it frustrating. When I was learning languages, I see my improvement right away. When you finish level 1, you can go to level 2. But it's not with singing. You just keep practicing like the same chord, the same notes, and like I don't know. Every time, like every week I go to the practice room, I'm starting from zero again. 좀 그렇다. 네? Hello everyone, welcome back to my English podcast. Today I want to talk about some lessons that I've learned throughout my life. I'm not trying to teach you or something, I just wanted to share some of my life experiences with you. Yeah, why don't we just jump right into it? I'm turning 27 in 2026, so these are the things that I've realized in my entire 27 years. Lesson number 1, do something like crazy. It is better when you do it at the younger age. If you have something that you want to try, or you want to learn, or you want to be, do it like crazy, obsessively. I know it sounds cliche, but people are saying you can learn something new at any age. I agree and disagree. It is correct that you can learn something new, you can try something new at any age. But when you get older and older, you have a lot of things to take care of, as well as responsibility, besides the things that you want to learn. So like at the age that you have to take care of yourself, you have to make your own money for your living, it is the real time. You have to struggle for yourself. And it could be hard to fully concentrate on the things that you want to learn. And now at this age, at my age of 27, I make my own living, provide my family. I have responsibility for my sister's education and everything. I have a lot of pressure on my shoulders. So yeah, I'm so thankful and I want to praise myself that I did my best and I'm making money by teaching Korean. Don't waste your time. Lesson number 2. Happiness cannot last forever. It is just a moment. You need to embrace it. We're all dreaming to live a happy life, but we all have different definition for happiness. What makes you happy? It really depends. There's always ups and downs, and you need to find your own way of happiness in these ups and downs. And stop chasing happiness, and if you keep chasing it, there's no room for contentment. And lesson number 3, I always trying to remind myself that we all know that money is really, really important in our daily life. Yeah, money is happiness. But don't forget that we make money to live. We make money to use it. This might be just for me. I want to make money to live. I don't want to live to make money. We make money to use it. We make money to upgrade ourselves. We make money to have a better life. So yeah, these are the things that I've learned in my 27 years old life. I actually have a younger sister, so these are the things that I want to talk to my sister. And I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.